What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have another brand from PestX.com, okay? PestX.com has all types of pet repellent and good stuff on their site. And they also have products on Amazon like this one and that Molly Mall bug zapper that I just reviewed. If you go ahead and click the links in the description and you type in the promo code, you will get a discount. Okay, now this is a limited discount, so I believe this discount going to last until almost the end of November. I will post it on the screen, and the discount for the bug zapper will end the end of October, I believe. Once again, I will post everything in the description, and if I get a chance, I will post it on the screen right here. But this is from PestX, and a brand family of theirs is Molly Mall. Now let's go ahead and get into this. This is a fake owl. Not only just a fake owl, this fake owl is solar. And let's take it out. All right, something like the last one we just had, but this thing says it does realistic sound. And somebody in the comments told me that the fake owls are just supposed to scare the birds, right? Well, on this box right here it says solar bird repellent is designed to scare birds, squirrels, cats, snakes, rabbits, deer, and other animals. Y'all know owls are birds of prey, and so are hawks, eagles. So squirrels should naturally be scared of owls and hawks. So, directions. And there's only one page. Well, two pages, but one paper, small paper. It's not too much to this, you guys. Let's go ahead and just unwrap it and check it out. It has a little sensor here. Now, we are going to do our normal test with the squirrels, you guys. A fun test. It's not a test to harm the squirrels. We don't harm animals in the backyard. We're going to take the protector off of the solar. Okay, so the head don't turn like the other one, so it must be a mechanism. I mean, you could turn it, but it's like a mechanism in there, so I don't want to break it. Let me check the bottom. All right, here we go. Look like the bottom may need batteries. Oh, you have on and off. But before I hit the on and off switch, I want to go ahead and take this off to see if I need to put batteries in it or not. It looks like it might have the speaker right there. We will see. Let's take this off and see what we're working with first before I turn it on. All right, so they have batteries in there included. Close that back up. You can slide that down to hold that in. I don't know why we're sliding this up and down for yet. Look like a speaker there. Let me go ahead and turn it on. Oh, there's 3 on modes, so we will figure all that out. All right, you guys, so we are going to go over the directions real quick. They also have a warning. It says let it charge in the sun. The sun is that way. Let me see. Oh, don't want to break it. All right, I'll leave it like that for now. So the sun is aiming that way. So it says leave in the sun for 24 hours. As far as the warning goes, it says before installation, please charge the stupid bee. Mad I killed your family? Are you mad? Are you mad? Kill you too. Sorry, you guys. I know I said I won't kill no animals, but we're going to make an exception for bugs and bees. All right. Where was I? All right. Before installation, please charge the product under the sunshine for 24 hours or install new rechargeable batteries. Was these rechargeable? I wasn't even paying attention. All right, so that's all the warnings. I will post all the warnings here so y'all can pause and read that for yourself, but right now we want to get into the directions. All right, so it says turn the unit on. It says on and off switch is at the bottom, which we found out. Mode center will only activate flashing eyes and moving head. Mode on will activate flashing eyes and moving head and owlish sounds. So it actually give out owl sounds. Now this is going to be cool. Place the unit within 10 to 16 feet to pest activity area, preferably on sunniest side. It says hammer screw spikes through rotating anchors at the bottom. Oh, I see you guys. Now I get it. Right here at the bottom, it's the anchors for the owl. You only get 2 this way. All right, now I get it. It should stay up. I'll screw it up good wherever I'm going to put it if I screw it up. And that's about it, you guys. There's not too much to this. They said the owl is more for scaring birds. So we will see about the squirrels. Okay, you guys. So since we are up close and personal with the owl, let's go ahead and test it out. We're going to put it in the middle mode. And the sensor is here. So let's see. It sensed me. And it stayed there. It sensed me again. Okay. Had to calibrate itself. I think I messed up the head on it. Remember when I turned it and I kind of turned it too much? Now it's not doing that little kick sound. So it senses me like I'm behind y'all on the camera right now. It's kind of freaky, you guys. All right, so let's check out the other fun part, which is the sound. Let's see if this actually has a realistic owl sound, you guys. It's on mode. Oops. All right, so I have it on mode. Let's see what happens. Of course, it's recorded, but it is a realistic owl sound. I don't think nobody actually saying hoo 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 hoo. And the thing is, you can't change the volume. I wish you could put it up a little bit higher. You know, in my reviews, I usually put the GoPro out. Takes a couple of days to test. And yeah, it actually moves its head up and down too, you guys. Like it's actually looking for something. And I think I know why they say you need rechargeable batteries, because that's what the solar do. It charges the battery down here. So I guess rechargeable batteries do make sense. Oh, it still sends me? Okay. Stay tuned. If you just wanted to see this for the unboxing, like, comment, and subscribe. But if you want to see more, stay tuned on this video and we will plug in our GoPro action. All right. So 5 foot, at least 5 foot, 4 foot. Okay, so maybe what they said in that warning section, let it charge up for at least 24 hours. So my mistake on that, you guys. Maybe they're right. I might have to let the owl charge up really good. So y'all might have to give me like a couple of days to conduct this test. All right, you guys, I want to say that this thing works, you guys. It works. Now, the squirrels did come over. They ate a little bit at a time, but I want to let y'all know that these nuts last at least, I had this thing out for like 4 days or 5 days. Now, y'all know on my other reviews, the squirrels, they will eat these nuts in 1 single hour, you guys. And for this thing to last for a couple of days is amazing. All right, so I am going to do another test. I'm going to put it a little closer to the owl and see what happens. Now, when I was further away from the owl, it didn't really sense the squirrel like that. I had to move it a little bit closer. The videos with the owl, there was a little bit delay because of the way the sensor was and the position of the squirrel and the position of the sensor. So this thing senses, but I think as far as being low end, yeah, it don't really sense the squirrel when it was at the low end, but when it's close, it senses the squirrel jumps, but it knows that the owl is here. And the only thing that makes the squirrel scared of the owl, it knows that it moves its head and makes the sound. Now, I stand in front of the owl for a while now, but let me move. Now, if it stays in front of the owl for a long time, it won't sense it, but you got to be really still. But anyways, so that will be it, you guys. If I get any more videos of the squirrel like running away from the owl, then I will post it on TikTok or the YouTube Shorts or whatever. Just little quick ones, but this owl really works, you guys. So solar owls, I haven't tested out all solar owls, but for right now, if it make noise and move the head, it's pretty good. The only thing that I could say is it can better its sensor. If it had more angle detection, then this thing will be amazing, you guys. Totally amazing. Now, I haven't tested out with birds or anything like that. I can do that. I would just have to set it up in the proper place to do that. But other than that, that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all in the next product review. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.